The retired police officer accused of setting a well-known Naperville squatter's tent on fire has pleaded guilty to criminal damage to property. Naperville News 17's Beth Bria was in the courtroom.
73-year-old James Povolo has been sentenced to 2 years of probation and ordered to pay restitution after setting Scott Huber's tent on fire in July of last year. It's part of a plea deal the retired Chicago police officer recently took in a DuPage County courtroom. In court, Povolo paid Huber $5,000 to reimburse him for damage to his tent and other property. Povolo also must pay $800 to the DuPage County Water Commission for fire damage to a water meter. Huber has been living in the roadside tent for 16 years in protest of city government. He spoke out in court saying Povolo desecrated a temple, a shrine to American freedom. Huber said the fire destroyed 10 years of records regarding his protest and said Povolo is part of a nefarious group of public officials who he says oppress poor people like him. Povolo declined to comment on the decision, but his attorney says Povolo just snapped when he lit the tent on fire with a flare from the trunk of his car. He says Povolo was in a post-stress situation after being involved in several live shootings during his career. His attorney says Povolo made sure no one was in the tent before he started the fire, and he turned himself in to Naperville police several days later. Povolo's probation is part of the DuPage Second Chance program, meaning his conviction could be vacated if he completes the probation requirements. Reporting for Naperville News 17, I'm Beth Bria.
Povolo was also ordered to serve 5 days in the Sheriff's Alternative Work Program and to have no future contact with Huber.